Okay, write 4 cos theta plus 5 sine theta in the form r cos theta plus alpha, where r is greater than 0 and alpha is between 0 and pi by 2. Give the exact value of r and the value of alpha in radians, correct to 3 decimal places. Right, let's just do that first. So the rest of the question will appear in the video. So we've got 4 cos theta minus 5 sine theta. And so r is normally r4 squared plus 5 squared, which is going to make the square root of 41. 16 plus 25 is 41. So this could be rewritten as cos theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta cos alpha minus sine theta sine alpha. So we take alpha, so we want cos to be the 4. So the adjacent side is 4, and the sine, we want this sine to be sine alpha, that would be 5, and then this will be the square root of 41, and therefore this now becomes the square root of 41 of 4 over root 41 cos theta minus 5 over root 41 sine theta. So alpha will be tan to the minus 1 of 5 over 4, which is going to be in radiant measure, so make sure your calculus in radiant 0.896. And you're asked to give it to 3 decimal places. So that's going to be equal to root 41 cos theta plus 0.896. Now remember this because you're going to need it in that later part, in part C. So solve the equation 4 cot 2x minus 2 cosec 2x is equal to 5. Can be written in the form 4 cos 2x minus 5 sine 2x is equal to k, where k is a positive constant to be determined. So we've got 4 cot 2x is equal minus 2 cosec 2x is equal to 5. Cot 2x is equal to cos 2x over sine 2x. Cot is cos over sine. And then cosec 2x is 1 over sine. So replacing these, you get 4 cos 2x over sine 2x minus 2 cosec is 1 over sine 2x is equal to 5. Common denominator of sine 2x, so we can multiply the whole thing through by sine 2x to get 4 cos 2x minus 2 is equal to 5 sine 2x. So this is what we're trying to get it equal to. So that's 4 cos 2x minus 5 sine 2x is equal to 2, so therefore k is equal to 2. Now the last part, hence otherwise solve the equation 4 cot 2x minus 2 cosec 2x is equal to 5 for values of x between 0 and pi, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So 4 cot 2x minus 2 cosec 2x is equal to 5. We know that that is equal to that from part B. So 4 cos 2x minus 5 sine 2x is equal to 2. And then from part A, we know this is 4 root of cos. Now we had cos theta, so theta will have to be 2x. Plus that value that we calculated for alpha, which is 0.896, is equal to 2 from part A. So I'll just repeat what I've done that. I've used, that's the original equation. I've used part B to come up with that, and then that relates to part A, and it says it can be written like that. So in a question like that, you should be looking for links between different parts of the question. It's a good technique. So writing this out on the next slide, we get square root of cos 2x plus 0.896 is equal to 2. So if dividing by root 41, we get cos 2x plus 0.9898 is equal to 2 over root 41. We're solving between 0 and pi. So therefore 2x needs to be solved between 0 and 2 pi. So cos to the minus 1 of 2 over root 41 is 1.253 radians. South Asian Tennis Club. we want to know where it's positive. Cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant, so we'll make our angle here with 1.253, the angle here at 1.253, so we get 2x plus 0.896 is equal to 1.253, or 2 pi minus 1.253, so that gives me that 2x is going to be equal to 0.5375, so I'm going to take 0.896, or 4.134, so I've done 2 pi minus 1.253 minus 0.896, so we're going to get that x is equal to 0.1785, or 2.067, and then to 2 decimal places that's going to give me 0.18, or 2.07 to 2 decimal places. Now if we wanted to draw, see that graphically, so the green graph here is 4 cos 2x minus 2 cosec 2x, and this is the graph y is equal to 5. We had to solve that is equal to 5, and we can see where we get the two values, 0.18 and 2.07. So this has been a video to show you how to use Rcos, theta plus alpha, and then rearrange a equation to find, and then also rearrange it into Rcos format, and then be able to solve it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.